Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix update check failed to start error code system level in Google Chrome. Type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Double-click to open Google Update Service. Change startup type to manual. Click Apply, OK. Open Chrome and check Update. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.